Welcome back to Spark English. This is where you learn English slowly and naturally through real-life stories. We've just arrived at a hotel. Ethan is at the front desk, ready to check in.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation. The name is Ethan Miller.
Sure, let me check that for you. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Miller, I see your reservation here. You're staying with us for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Did you have a long trip today?
Yes, very long. I'm a little tired.
I understand. Your room is ready now.
That's good to hear.
Here is your key card. Your room is on the 8th floor, room 812.
Room 812. Got it.
If you need anything during your stay, please call the front desk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me. I have a few more questions.
Of course. Please feel free to ask.
First, about the Wi-Fi. Is it free?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free for all guests.
Great. What's the password?
The network name is Sunrise Guest, and the password is printed on your keycard holder.
Oh, okay. I see it now.
Perfect.
And I also wanted to ask about breakfast.
Sure.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included with your room.
Nice. What time does breakfast start?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m.
6:30 to 10. That's good.
It's served in the restaurant on the 2nd floor.
Second floor. Is it a buffet?
Yes, it's a buffet. We offer both Western and Asian dishes.
Sounds great. I usually eat a lot in the morning.
You'll have plenty of choices.
Good to hear. And one more thing. What time is checkout?
Checkout time is 12 noon.
12 noon. Is late checkout possible?
It depends on availability.
I see.
If you need late checkout, please let us know at least 1 day in advance.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Is there anything else I can help you with? Yes, actually. This is my first time staying here.
No problem at all.
How do I get to the elevators?
They're just around the corner, on your right.
Got it. And I need my key card, right?
Yes, please tap your keycard inside the elevator.
Okay, that's easy enough.
If you need help with anything, just call the front desk.
Thank you very much. Everyone here is very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, 3rd floor, room 312, 310, 311. Ah, here it is. Wow, this room is bigger than I expected. The bed looks really comfortable. Let me put my bag down. Where's the hairdryer? I checked the bathroom. I checked the closet. I don't see it. Maybe I should call the front desk.
Front desk, how may I help you?
Hi, this is Ethan in room 312.
Hello, Mr. Ethan. How can I assist you?
I have a quick question. Is there a hairdryer in the room?
Yes, there should be one.
I looked around, but I couldn't find it.
I'm sorry about that.
That's okay.
Some rooms don't have hair dryers inside. We can send one to you.
Oh, that would be great.
We'll send it up shortly.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes, actually. Could I get an extra pillow?
Of course. 1 extra pillow, correct?
Yes, just one.
No problem. We'll bring the hairdryer and the pillow together.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
It should take about 10 minutes.
That's fine. I'll wait.
Please call us anytime if you need help.
I will. Thanks again. That was easy. I think I'm going to like this place.
Good evening. Housekeeping?
Hello? Yes, please come in.
Here is the hairdryer and one extra pillow.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please check if everything is okay.
Yes, this is perfect.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. I have a question.
Of course. Please go ahead.
Do you have an iron
Yes, we do.
and an ironing board as well?
Yes, we can bring both to your room.
That would be great. I have a meeting tomorrow morning.
No problem at all.
I don't want my shirt to look wrinkled.
I understand. We'll bring the iron and the ironing board in a few minutes.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
It's our pleasure.
This is my first time staying here.
We're happy to have you with us.
So far, everything has been very smooth.
I'm glad to hear that.
One more thing.
Yes?
What time is breakfast tomorrow?
Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, please call the front desk anytime.
I will. Thanks again.
Have a good evening.
You too. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the restaurant.
Thank you.
May I have your room number, please?
Yes, room 312.
Thank you. Breakfast is included with your room.
Great.
Is it just one person?
Yes, just me.
Please follow me.
Okay.
You can sit here, near the window.
This is a nice spot.
I'm glad you like it.
Is this a buffet?
Yes, it's a breakfast buffet.
Nice. What time does breakfast end?
It ends at 10 a.m.
Okay, good.
Coffee and tea are over there.
Great. I definitely need coffee.
We also have juice, milk, and water.
Perfect. Wow, there's a lot of food.
Yes, we have eggs, bacon, sausages, and toast.
I see fruit and yogurt too.
Yes, and cereal as well.
This is nice. I didn't expect so many options.
Please take your time and enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I get a cup of coffee, please?
Of course. Would you like black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please.
Sugar?
Just a little.
Here you are.
Thank you. This smells really good.
Would you like anything else?
Do you have omelets?
Yes, you can order a fresh omelet at the egg station.
Oh, great. I'll try that.
Just tell the chef what you want.
Okay. I think I'll have eggs, some fruit, and toast.
That sounds like a good breakfast.
Yes, I need energy for the day.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Thank you. This morning feels very calm.
Mornings here are usually quiet.
I like that. It's relaxing.
The room is too noisy. It's a bit loud. I can hear traffic outside and voices from the next room. I need to rest before my meeting. I think I should call the front desk.
Front desk. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Ethan from room 312.
Hello, Mr. Ethan. How can I assist you?
I have a small problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
My room is a little noisy.
Noisy?
Yes, I can hear traffic from outside and voices from the next room.
I understand.
I was wondering if it's possible to change to another room.
Of course. Let me check availability.
Thank you.
Please hold for a moment. Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
We do have a quieter room available on the 5th floor.
That sounds good.
It's facing the inside of the building, so it's much quieter.
Yes, that would be perfect.
May I ask if you prefer a king bed or 2 single beds?
A king bed, please.
All right, we will move you to room 512.
Great. Thank you so much.
Would you like assistance with your luggage?
Yes, please. That would help.
We'll send someone to your room shortly.
I appreciate that.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
I'm really happy with the service here.
We're glad to hear that.
Thanks again.
Check out day. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to check out, please.
Of course. May I have your room number?
Yes, room 512.
Thank you. Let me pull up your information.
Okay.
How was your stay with us?
It was very good.
I'm happy to hear that.
Everyone was very helpful.
Thank you for saying that. Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
All right. Your total comes to $320.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Sure. Please insert your card here.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Great. Your payment is complete.
Thank you.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks. I have one more question.
Yes?
Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours?
Of course.
My flight is later today.
No problem at all. We offer free luggage storage.
That's great.
How many bags do you have?
Just one suitcase.
All right. Please place it here.
Okay.
Here is your luggage tag.
Thank you.
You'll need this tag to collect your bag later.
I understand. One last thing.
Yes? How can I help?
Could you call a taxi for me?
Certainly.
I need to go to the airport.
No problem. A taxi will arrive in about 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Would you like help with directions or anything else?
No, that's all.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for everything.
We hope to see you again.
I hope so too.
And that's the end of Ethan's hotel stay. From check-in, asking for extra items, enjoying breakfast, changing rooms, to checking out. These are very real situations that happen in hotels all the time. You don't need difficult English. You just need simple, clear phrases and the confidence to speak. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever stayed at a hotel in another city or another country? What was your experience like? Or maybe your first time checking in was a little confusing or funny. You can also keep it simple. Just tell us, did you enjoy your hotel stay? Yes or no? If you see someone else's comment, feel free to reply and encourage them. We're all learning together here. If you found this story helpful, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Spark English. Your support really helps us stay motivated to create more slow, real-life English stories just like this one. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to use your English. See you in the next episode on Spark English.